Hello, my name is Amal Francis. Registration number UR15CS043. This is my video for experiment number 2 of Unix lab. So the topic is conditional statements in shell programming. So my first question is write a shell script program to find the greatest of 3 marks. So I input 3 marks, and based on this condition, if number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is greater than number 3, then number 1 is greatest, else number 2 is greater than number 3 and number 2 is greater than number 1, then n2 is greatest, else n3 is greatest. So I'm going to run the program now. So as you can see, it shows that 30 is the greatest number. So for the second question, write a shell script program to find the grade for given marks. I have predefined the grades based on marks out of 100. If the student scores above 95, then the grade is O. If the student scores between 90 and 95, it's S. If the marks is between 80 and 90, it's A. 70 and 80, it's B. 60 and 70, it's C. And 50 and 60 is B. If it's less than 50, then it's fail. So based on it, uh, the grade will be displayed. So I'm going to run the program. As you can see, the grade is displayed and the grade is A. So for the third question, write a shell script program to get the internal and external marks from the user and check pass or fail. So first I input the internal marks and I get the external marks. So and then the internal marks is converted into 60% and the external marks is converted into 40%. Then I store both this result into a variable called result, and I display the converted internal marks and the converted external marks. Then if the result is greater than 50, then I print pass, else fail. So for the internal marks I am giving 60, and for the external marks I am giving 65. So the 60 is converted into 36 and the 65 is converted into 26. Since the total is uh, 62, and pass is printed. So for the fourth question, write a shell script program to develop the arithmetic calculator. I input the two numbers, first number and second number, then based on the option I perform the various arithmetic operations. And here this sum is the variable in which all the result will be stored, and I is for performing repeatedly until the user wants to quit. So first I am going to do addition. The result is 30 and I want to continue. Then I perform subtraction. The result is 10. Then I perform multiplication. The result is 200. After division, the result is 2. And for the fifth one, write a shell script program to check whether the entered character is vowel or consonant. So I put the character, and it's used this switch case kind of version in Unix. So based on if it's the character is A, it prints vowel, E it prints vowel, I it prints vowel, O it prints vowel, U it prints vowel, else all the consonants, else or character is prints consonant. So I'm going to run the program. It prints vowel. I'm going to run it again. It prints consonants. That's all. Thank you.